How to see copy history in Android. First of all, copy some text on your phone. You can copy one or even multiple pieces of text because Clipboard can save recently copied items. Now, open any app where the keyboard appears, such as Messages, WhatsApp, Instagram, or Notes. Next, tap on the text box to bring up the keyboard. Once the keyboard opens, look at the top toolbar and tap on the 4 squares, menu icon, or 3 dots, depending on your keyboard version. You'll now see several options on the screen. From these options, tap on Clipboard. After opening it, you'll see your recently copied text, links, or other supported items displayed in separate blocks. Simply tap on any item to instantly paste it into the text box. That's it. You can now easily access and use your Clipboard history on Android whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.